Here asked to solve the equation by completing a square and state whether the solutions are real or not real. So first thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by a, and I'm going to go ahead and divide by -1 on both sides. The nice part about it is it doesn't change anything over here. But what it gives us on the left side is x squared plus 6x plus 11 equals 0. Now we got to subtract 11 to rearrange here so that the constants are on one side. So I get x squared plus 6x equals -11. Now I need to add b over 2 squared to both sides. B is just 6. 6 over 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides, which gives me x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals -2. Now, because I completed the square correctly, it gives me a nice, easy number here of x plus 3 times x plus 3. I'm going to write it as x plus 3 squared equals -2. Now to solve this, I'm going to go ahead and take the square root of both sides, which gives me, I'm going to do this up here on the right to give myself some more room, x plus 3 equals the square root of -2. Don't forget it's positive and negative. And I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides to give me x equals -3 plus or minus the square root of -2. But here's the deal, right? We have the square root of -2. We can't take the square root of a negative number, but I know that the square root of -2 is just the square root of 2 times the square root of -1. And I know that the square root of -1 is just I. So what that means is we have x equals -3 plus or minus root 2i, and that tells us that it's a complex number because it includes an imaginary number, which tells me that this is going to have two non-real solutions.